Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discussing about a project low voltage band gap reference circuit in 28 nanometer CMOS technology. This article presents a band gap voltage and current reference in a single and short reference circuit for battery power applications. It's used for low power and high precision band gap voltage. In the proposed circuit, all amplifiers were removed. The method of hybrid temperature adjustment compensation circuit to decrease the band gap reference temperature drift. A temperature insensitivity referring voltage can be achieved in the proposed circuit by combining first order band gap non-linear compensation current and curvature compensation current in combinations. The proposed circuit is designed in Tanner EDA tool. It has an active area of 0.962 mm with a 22 nanometer CMOS technology. The input voltage measured are 0.8 volt in the range of minus 20 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius temperature range respectively. Now we can verify the base paper. This is a proposed band gap reference circuit. Okay, so here they are used for two LNA circuit. Okay, for this two LNA circuit we are used as a reference paper. This is a reference paper for LNA, highly linear low power wireless RF receiver for WSN. Here already they are developed the LNA with a fully differential implementation of proposed transconductance LNA. This LNA architectures we are used on here. Okay, and we are designed the same circuit in Tanner EDA tool. This is a test bench of the design, and this is a implementations of the proposed architecture. This is a LNA circuit. Okay, now we can run this circuit 28 nanometer. Okay, so here input voltage we are given 1.05 as per the temperature of minus 20 degree to 120 degree Celsius. Here the temperature based voltage will appear. Okay, here for 28 nanometer it will take around 0.991 volt. Okay, and we are change this value to 22 nanometer. This is a temperature sweep technique, minus 20 degree to 120. Okay, before changing the 22 nanometer technology we need to change the input voltage on here. So 0.8 volt only we are given for 22 nanometer. So this is the output for 22 nanometer. Okay, here input voltage we are given 800 millivolt, that means 0.8 volt, and we will be get the output as per the temperature 0.737 volt to 0.741 volt. Okay, so this comparisons parameters we are updated in the comparison document. Okay, 28 nanometer, 22 nanometer, input voltage is 0.8 and 1.05, and temperature range will be same, and output will be get 28 nanometer for 0.987 and 22 nanometer for 0.741, and MOSFETs area and power. Okay, here the output voltage will be decreases and also power will be decreases. Okay, and the power report will be shown on here. This is a 28 nanometer power results, and this is a 22 nanometer power results. And we are written an abstract document for this project. This is a title, best paper abstract, improvement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, exit system, disadvantages, proposed system, advantages, and related notes, literature survey, finally references. Thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.